Good morning. My name is Elzennia Brown, and I just want a few minutes to talk to you about an experience that I am having, and it has just changed my life tremendously. About 6 months ago, I was introduced to a program that, as a diabetic, I thought did not exist, which was to help me reverse or at least change some of the things that I've been going through in terms of my, not just my medication, but my overall wellness. So I went through, listened to um, basically the introduction to this program, and I decided to take a leap. Yeah, this was really a leap of faith because for the amount of time since about maybe 1996 or 7, I have been struggling with not feeling good, tired all the time, overweight, can't lose it, cravings that I just could not overcome, and everything else I've tried. And I have tried what the doctor said to do, I've tried what books have said to do, I've tried what friends have said to do, nothing worked. So I'm here. And I said, you know what? I've got to do something because I knew where I was headed with this. As my weight continued to increase and my overall wellness was basically at the bottom rung of a ladder, I said, I'm going to try this. Now, I didn't know whether or not it would work, but as I began to get into it and I was given knowledge about my body that I hadn't heard, the inside, not the outside. You know, you can look at the outside and tell I was overweight and everything, but when I was given knowledge about the inside, that I wasn't getting from my doctor during regular doctor visits. Oh, just stay on your medication, you'll be all right. Just exercise, you'll be all right. Just eat these foods, eliminate that. Don't worry about your cravings because, guess what? That's the way it is, and you're going to be a diabetic for the rest of your life. I didn't want that for me. So this program helped turn everything around for me. I began to I began to feel better as I got through the process, and every time I would come into the office, the reception here is just great. It feels like family, seriously, and everybody just seems to care about what I'm going through. So as I began to do more of what the process uh, required of me, which wasn't bad, I saw results. I started to feel better. I started to sleep better. I started to, you know, really actually think that maybe this may work. So what I was eating, oh, it was lovely. I'm going to tell you something. When you change in this process, you taste food that you hadn't tasted before, and it's good. So I'm just here to encourage you. If you are thinking about this as to whether or not it works, it works. It truly works. And I'm at a point now where I really believe I have added years to my life. And not only that, I feel good. I haven't felt like this. I feel like running. I feel like dancing. I feel like singing because this has really changed my life. Not just for the better, but forever. So if you're thinking about it, consider it, get the information that you need. But I'm here to tell you this program works.